All right, let's try this bending the light. So first thing I want you to do is you're going to put a piece of plastic wrap over a page of small print and tell me what do you think will happen. All right, so you're going to place a sheet of clear plastic wrap or wax paper over a page of small print. You're going to put some water in a pipette, and then you're going to carefully put 1 drop of water on the plastic wrap and observe the size and shape of the drop. Record your observations in your science notebook or a piece of paper. If you don't have it, you can watch the video. So you're going to answer, what did the water drop look like? What did the water drop do to the appearance of the small print? And how is the water drop like a lens? Think about your eye. All right, next thing, we are going to add some more water to the page. Predict in your science journal, what do you think is going to happen to the print? Is it going to get larger or smaller? So we're going to watch this video of adding more water to it. All right, so make your observations. So how did the appearance of the print change when you increased the size of the water drop? Did it get bigger or smaller, and what do you think caused the change?